So, over the weekend, I went out and bought the rear lights that I'm after for the Civic out there. So today we're just going to clean them up, give them a polish, and I'm kind of scared though because there's a red back on the loose. It came out crawling, so we'll see how we go. I might die, might not die, yeah. Okay, so I just thought I'd showcase the facelift rear lights that I purchased over the weekend. So you're probably thinking, why is there three? So essentially I bought this one from a Wreckers, really good condition with all the lights in it and the bulbs. So I bought that, and because there was only one left of the Wreckers, I had to go and track down one for the right light. So I've got this one here. This one's pretty shit condition, I'll be honest, but gotta do what you gotta do. That's why I'm gonna give it a polish. Hopefully it'll come out better. And then we've got this one back here, which is the one that I won't be using. So we'll see if I can sell it on the internet. I don't know if I'll get much money back out of it, but we'll figure it out. And yeah, so I'm pretty much gonna be cleaning, giving them a polish, and see if I can figure this shit out, because I'm not good at polishing. And there's a red back in this light here. I don't know, I haven't seen the bloke. Hasn't been out for a while, but I'll kill the dog if I see him. Alright, I'm back. I'm back to agitate this son of a bitch, so let's get it, boys. He's looking very angry. Look at him. Nah. You're not escaping, you little bitch. You're not bloody escaping. Getting your ass out here. Come on, mate. Lay your web. Lay your web, you dog. Lay your web. Huh? Where's your web at? This is scary shit, boys. I'm not gonna lie. God damn it, bro. This guy's such a coward. He's such a coward. Alright, I'm gonna tap from the side. Nah, he's still crawling around in there, boys. Alright, that's it. I'm just gonna man up and just take it to the sink and just rinse the bad boy off, and then hopefully he gets out. So I'll bear it back when I do that. Alright, so here we are. I tried using the air compressor to blow the water out, but our air compressor's broken apparently, so that's a bit shit. But yeah, so I gave it a fat rinse. I got the red back out. I think I did at least. I don't know. I'm kind of still paranoid that he's in here. Like, I blew him onto the ground, but I don't know, he was hanging off by a web, so yeah. But so we gave it a fat wash. It still looks dingy as shit from the back, but oh well, guess we're just gonna have to deal with it. But now we can actually get onto the polishing of the actual headlights, so yeah. Alright, so we have our cutting compound, just some Maguire's. I think I got it from Super Cheap Auto. Not 100% sure though. And then we've got our simple drill bit buffing pad. Just slides on here, tying her up. I think I'm tightening her up. There we go. It's a bit munted. Hold up, let me fix it up. So look at me, I'm a twat. Sorry boys, it's taking a bit of a while. Alright, sweet. Alright, so you want to start off with just a couple of dabs, and then first you want to rub it in with your fingers. Get her all wet. I mean, that sounds stupid. Sorry, guys. And then after you apply the compound like that, wipe off your hand, and then chuck. Come on, bro. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, we're gonna do this side first, and then I'll get around to doing the whole thing. Let me just go grab a fresh microfiber towel. I will be right back. Alright, sweet. And also, just before we start, I thought I'd explain some shit to you. So, on this one that we got from the wreckers, you see this bottom lamp here has not been cut out. But on this one that we got off Facebook Marketplace, the bottom has been cut out. So essentially on the Type R models of the Civic, the bottom is cut out, so this part is illuminated too. But on your regular run-of-the-mill Civics like my one, this light here is blocked off, so your lights only work from here to here. So essentially in the future, we will make an extra lamp here to light up, so give us that Type R effect. I hope I'm making sense to you guys, or I don't sound like a lunatic. Alright, so let me just chuck this down so it's not like rocking like crazy when I go to do everything. Alright, sweet. So we got our compound on here. You got the thing down here. So just dab it across the area you wanna polish and start going to town. Start off slow, that way you don't splash everything. And try not to stay in the same area for too long. And then go full sweat. Now I think I've kind of overused the compound here, but it doesn't matter. I think technically it's supposed to go until it's relatively clear and then use the microfiber towel, but yeah, I'm kind of new to this, so cut me a break. And also I know this is pretty shit and boring and it's kind of cringe, but look, I just thought this would be fun to do on the side while I do this shit for my Civic, you know, upload it on YouTube, so yeah. Alright, well, I'm not sure if you guys can tell a big difference here, but that's the right side, I mean the left side that hasn't been polished, and then on the right edge here it's been polished. So it's like, I don't know, it doesn't feel like the polish did much, but should be fine. Alright, now onto the other side.
Once again, get a drill bit brush. Put your cutting compound here, here, and here. And shit, I think I forgot which side. No, yeah, it's definitely the side I did. Just like rubbering. Alright. Now once again, start off slow, that way it don't splash everywhere. Alright, and then I'll go full ball to the wall. Some chicken boys. Alright, look, I know that was shocking, but who cares? Just rubber in real quick. Rubber in. Alright, sweet.
And there you go. The issue is when it comes to polishing, sometimes you'll get the compound stuck in the little grooves. So I'm not sure if you guys can see, but there's like white edges here in the top corner of the cut compound that didn't get mixed. So you kind of just want to go over that and clean that out. If not, get some cotton buds and wipe it out manually, because generally these rags are too thick to get into the grooves. Alright boys, so here's the finished product. Very shiny, very shiny. And just wanted to show you that a pretty shit aspect of the camera's not focusing here, but see how you can kind of see that discoloration there, that kind of sticks out. So essentially when you work on the lights, when they're not actually on your vehicle, the compound gets behind the light, so it looks kind of shit. So you just have to go through with a cotton bud and clean that shit out. Depends. I mean, it's not that big of a deal, like from a distance it blends in fine, but when you get up close it kind of bothers me. But yeah, so that was me polishing them, and I'll show you now the other one that we're not cleaning. I mean, obviously this one's very rough and it hasn't been cleaned, but just the difference between this one and this really shiny one here. But yeah, that's pretty much it for today, boys. Or for now at least. I'm not sure when I'm gonna fit these, but yeah. There's another shit video for you guys. You can make fun of me if you want. But I'd like to say I had fun with this, but I really didn't. Yeah, so cool vid, I guess.
What are you doing?